It cuts like a knife, but I'm too proud to show it. Pain in my chest, like I lost my breath, but she just doesn't know it. So many things, just dying to say, but I can't seem to tell her. It's killing me that she wants to leave, but I'm not gonna